Let's proceed and let me clean the board. How we can use this formula to solve a problem. We have, let's clean this board. Let's proceed so that we can use the formula to solve problem. You know, we said this technique is the product rule. The product rule is the y, the s is equal to the u, the v, the s plus v, the u, the x. This we've learned is most important because it's the one that we are going to use to solve problem, because it's the one that we are going to use to solve problem. Let us see how we can use this to solve problem. If we have, let me bring a problem from my, okay. Let me just bring a problem from here. Okay, this will be too big here. Okay, look at this. Can you all see this? We have differentiate 3x minus 2x. We have differentiate 3x minus 2x into bracket 2x squared plus 3 with respect to x. We have to know how we can differentiate this. To differentiate this one, we are going to start by saying, I'm coming, let me share my board. This is a product rule that we are going to use. This product rule that we are going to use. But let me put on the question. The question is differentiate 3x minus 2 bracket x squared plus what? Who can tell me?
Plus 3.
We
Close
have
bracket.
Plus 3. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, plus 3, Abi? Yes.
Yes, sir.
When we want to solve this, you let this one to be equal to y. Then you now let v is equal to 3x minus 2 and v is equal to x squared plus 3. Is that taken? You now find the u, yes, the x. Who can differentiate this for me? 3x minus 2. We've done it in this class. This will give you 3x. If you differentiate v, the v ds will give you 2x. Then we now follow the formula that is the u and the y ds will give you u, the v, the x plus v, the u, the x. Our u is 3x minus 2. Our v ds is 2x. This will give you 2x. Our v is 2x squared plus 3. And our And our du ds, our du ds, our du ds is 3. And then we put 3 here. We put 3 here. We put 3 here. If we now multiply out 2x times 3x, we give it 3x squared. This times this, I mean 2x times this will give you 2x squared. This times this will give you minus 4x. Then 3 times this will give you 3x squared. 3 times 3, 9x. If you collect like time, you can see that 6x squared plus 6x squared plus 3x squared will give us 9x squared. You now have 9x squared minus 4x plus 9. This will give us the final answer. Is that taken? I hope I'm talking with people. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Can we consider another example so that we can have it clear? Let's look at my slide again, or if you can share your course material. Let me see if I can share your course material. We see what we are saying in your course material. Let me, in your course material. Okay. Let's now share your course material so that you can see that we are picking a sample also from a course material. Let's go to where we are. You know, we are at Module 2, Unit 1. We proved this. If you can see your course material, we proved this today. Then we prove it up to this, what we solve is, and you can see that we have the same answer. Let's solve the upper one together so that we can all see how we are working, how we are solving problem using product rule. Here we have x cubed sine s. Differentiate with respect to s. Y is equal to x cubed sine s. Let's see how we can solve it. Let me add my board. Let's clean what we have here. To have a clean board,
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. We have y is equal to s cubed sine x. The first thing we have to do is say let u is equal to s cubed and v is equal to sine x. Then we now say the u, the x. If you differentiate this, we are going to have 3x squared. If you differentiate sine s, we give you cos x. Then if you now put them in this formula, y dx. We give the u dv dx plus v du dx. Our u here is s squared. We put s cube. We put s cube. Our dv du is cos x. You put cos x. Then our v is sin x. Our du dx is what? 3s squared. If you multiply together, we are going to have s cos x plus 3s squared sin s. To show that you are very brilliant, you can put it that is s squared, you factor it. This will be s cos s plus 3 sin x. You can as well leave your answer in this form. You as well leave your answer in this form, or you factorize s squared out, like what I did here. Is that taken? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's taken. Can we consider another example? Okay, let me go back to my slide that I prepared for this class. You know, immediately after the class, I will send you the record of this class and the instructional material. And so that you can watch both and do your class activities. I hope you will be working, studying your course material, and ensure that you solve or you do your assignment. Wow.
Are we done? Hello.
Kábíyèsí ló rán sí ẹ olóòṣèlú gan olóòpó àgbójì ó wá ní ẹjọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kan lórí fóònù lórí àká nọ́mbà wọn ní òun ò rí kí ló dé àìkíkà rẹ mọ It is so focused this unity account number. We need to send the account number, see that this. And we need to come and copy account number. Abi, kábíyèsí fi ìfẹ́ hàn sí mi àti mímọ rírì òwe. Àmọ́ kò dìgbà tí ó bá gbó lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ tó lásán.
What are we doing here, sir?
I'm sorry, it's network. Please, can we continue from where we stop? Can we? Someone should talk.
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue. Let's consider the third example. Look at this example. We have y is equal to x. Y is equal to x raised to power 5 and exponential s. The question says find the y dx. Let's see how we can find the y dx. Let's see how we can find the y dx. To find the y dx, we have y is equal to x raised to power 5 exponential x. X raised to power 5 is a function, is one function. Exponential x is another function. You now say let u is equal to x raised to power 5 and v is equal to exponential x. They say the u the x will give you what? Which will give you 5x raised to the power 4. When we differentiate exponential x, we are going to have exponential x back. We give you back. Then, to now use the y, the x, we now give you u dv dx plus v du dx. Our u is x raised to the power 5. Dv ds is exponential x, and our v is exponential s, and our du ds is 5s raised to the power 4. If you now have this, you know, exponential is common. You factor it out. S raised to the power 4 is also common. Then we are going to have x plus, this will be x plus 5 here. That is, our answer will be s raised to the power 4, 5 plus x. Is that taken? That's the solution. We are able to solve 4 and 3 examples in this class. And I want to employ you all to work on your own and get it done. And you should also watch your instructional video so that you can get it. You can know how you can solve the problem of 2 functions or 2 products of 2 functions. Let me show you more. We have your, let me show you the class activity, although it will be sent to you. This is your class activity. If you check your e-learning, you see your class activity there. Differentiate the following function. We have x squared is equal to y is equal to x squared for 3x, and you have the second one, you have the third one. However, I'm going to stop here. But before we are going to leave the class, I will now ask you which area you will have issues so that we can see how we can rectify those issues. I'm listening. Okay. Yeah, Cynthia, any problem? Okay, no problem. Okay, Oladipupo Oluwagbenga, any issue?
No issue, sir. No issue,
What do
sir.
you say?
No issue, sir. No issue, sir.
I can't hear you. Good evening, good afternoon, how are you?
Good night, sir. No issue, sir.
Hello? No issues, sir. Adesomi Justina, please keep quiet. You are disturbing our class. Ijoko Daniel, you raise up your hand. Any problem?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. Sorry, I actually came late. Last time I think you said something about a WhatsApp group. I don't know how we have gone about it, sir.
You didn't turn up. I have to send reminder to everybody before you people join today's class. And I've given the duty to one of you.
Yes. So what I'm saying now is that if possible that we can get the WhatsApp group, also I think it will be very okay, sir.
Can you undo that one for us?
I can create it, but how will I be able to get their numbers? That is the thing. Or if
I've
possible that
created the group already. I send the WhatsApp group link to email. So you can
okay,
check your
you
email,
sent.
click on it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, no problem, no problem.
I'll paste the link on the Zoom chat now again.
Oh, all right, you can do that then. That is
Okay.
all. Thank you.
Any question? We have with the Shinyere Faith.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, I joined late. And I don't know the topic of this class.
The topic is the product rule. It teach the product rule teach us how we can solve or how we can differentiate two product of two functions. We have it in your course material, and we also have it on your instructional video. Is that taken? Please watch the instructional video and with this lecture, and you get it properly. Next time you join us in time at exactly 2 o'clock. Is that taken? Hello? Another question? Can we call it a beautiful day? Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. No other question, sir.
No other question. You mean it's okay?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir. Sir, you can please help me share the WhatsApp link version email to everybody.
Can I able to do that?
Yes, I will send it to your email now, sir.
Will be shared by somebody now.
You know,
look at your inbox and see the link to the WhatsApp group there.
Okay. Oh. Okay, no wala.
So this very good afternoon, sir. I'm just this very class. Will you post it on WhatsApp?
What do you say? I can't hear you.
If you will post this very class, if you post it on WhatsApp or via email.
I'll do both. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Can we call it a day? Hello? An hour has gone. Can we call it a day? Okay. Oh.
Yes, sir.
To talk. I will leave you.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye for now. Till next week. Bye.